Pranams everyone. Today we look into a Vinyasa flow. What is Vinyasa? Vinyasa simply means flow, moving from one asana to another in a sequential manner. Now there are many Vinyasa flows or practices. Today we look at a very small and brief Vinyasa, which I used to enjoy practicing when I learned with my teacher. I hope you also enjoy it. Let's begin. Come to the beginning of your mats. Take a moment, center yourself. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring the hip down, lift your arms up. Look up. Exhale, bring your arms down, tuck your head in. Chin up, take your right leg back. Knee down, hip down, look up. Take the left leg back. Look at your navel. Knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, up, chest up. Chin down. Back to mountain pose. Now bring the right leg in. Place the left heel, the entire foot is down. Palms on the right knee, push the hip down, thigh becomes parallel to the floor. Lift your arms up, drop your neck back, drishti at the tip of the thumb. Right arm forward, left arm back, drishti at the tip of the middle finger. Inhale, lift the arms up, right arm up, slide the left arm along the left leg, keep the hip down. Exhale, bring your arms down, take your right leg back. Back to mountain pose. Again, knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, chin up, chest up, chin down. Go back, mountain pose. Bring the left leg in. Right heel down. Palms on the left knee, hip down, lift your arms up. Drop your neck back. Drishti at the tip of the thumb. Left arm forward. Lift the left arm up, slide the right arm along the right leg. Keep looking at the fingertip, keep the hip down. Exhale, arm down. Take the left leg back. Mountain pose. Knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, chin up, chest up. Chin down. Go back to mountain pose. Stay here. Rest for a few seconds. Look at your navel, crown of the head facing the floor. Now bring your right leg in once again, in between the palms. Place the left heel down, entire foot on the floor. Place the right palm down on the right hand side of the right foot. Lift your left arm up, twist and look up. Now, bring this left arm parallel to the left ear, turn and look into the left palm. From your fingertip up till your left foot, it has to be one straight line. Bring the left palm down. Now, lift the back heel up, come on the toes. Place the left palm down, lift your right arm up. Try and balance yourself. Look into the right palm. Exhale, bring the right palm down. Take your right leg back. Mountain pose. If you're out of breath, hold this posture to catch your breath. Then bring the left leg in. Place the left foot in between the palms. Right foot, heel down. Left palm next to the left foot. Lift the right arm up. Twist nicely, look into the palm. Now, bring the right arm forward. Fingertip to the right foot, one straight line. Keep looking into the palm. Bring the right palm down. Now, lift the right heel up. Come on the toes. Lift your left arm up. Twist the other way and look into the palm. Exhale. Bring the left palm down. Take your left leg back. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Ashtanga pranam. Slide forward, chin chest up, chin down, back to Parvatasana. Stay here, breathe. It's not over yet. Few more Vinyasa steps. Look up. Now bring the right knee in between the palms. Place the left knee down, toes out. Try and rest the entire right thigh down. Ensure you're not sitting only on one side. Balance your body weight equally. Exhale, bend forward. Stretch your arms forward. Try and place the forehead on the floor. Breathe. Come back. Place your palms next to the knee. Stay on the fingertips or on your palm. You'll observe that your elbows are slightly bent. Try and straighten the elbows. Bend back. Once again, exhale and bend forward. Stretch your arms forward. Bring your arms back. Curl the left toes in. Lift the left knee up and take the right leg back. To mountain pose. Knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, slide the chin and chest up. Chin down. Back to mountain pose. Now bring your left knee in. Place the right knee down, toes out. Try and place the entire left thigh on the floor. Sink your hip down. Exhale, bend forward. Slide the chest forward. Arms forward. Forehead on the floor. Breathe. Bring your arms back. Stay on your fingertips or your palms. Elbows are slightly bent here. Consciously try and straighten the elbows. Push your chest back. Take your head back. Breathe. Exhale. Once again, bend forward. Stretch your arms. Take your arms back. Curl the right toe in. Lift the right knee up. Take your left leg back into the mountain pose. Knee, chest, chin down. Slide the chest forward. Chin down. Lift back into Parvatasana. Breathe. Chin up. Bring your right leg in. Left leg in. Tuck your head in. Hip down. Lift both your arms up. Head up. Exhale. Samastiti. And relax. So by the end of this Vinyasa flow, you will start sweating from the crown of the head, and the sweat will flow and trickle down through your nose. So until you achieve this, keep practicing, and I hope you enjoy.